Do you know how the first car in the world was created? I will tell you. Can you imagine that the first car looked like a simple cart? The first car appeared in 1769. In 1807, Francois Isaac de Riva created the first automobile powered by a gas-powered internal combustion engine. On January 29, 1886, mind you, exactly 135 years ago, on the same day, the first patented automobile was a very thin, tricycle-like cart-like machine. When Carl Benz received a patent for the first car in the world, his car did not look like a modern car at all. Nevertheless, the history of the automobile began on this day, and Benz called his invention Motorwagen. Another fact, the first car was able to increase the speed to 16 kilometers per hour. In 1985, Benz drove his three-wheeled car on the streets of Mannheim. At that time, this news caused more fear and anxiety than interest in the local population.
If you like this video, write in the comments which car company you would like to see in the next video. Please write in the comments.